Ka Jingīakynad hapadeng ki arken hon henen kemit jong ka khatlai tari unaitung han Nongmensong ka Dei Tang nakadaw jong ki arngut ki Khynnah Buaid. Umentri kampo ieng ubala kemen rembui ulai thu bagani kalaja henen kemit hakabagini ki arngut hapadeng ke Jing Buaid ki lalai klumar hieng breu. Hakani ke jingja la rano yakini ki arngut sathanat bantokit. Henry hakate po lawan bunut ki breu ban klumar hakaba kila kawang mau yaki kali pat uweiru CRPF Nongmensong. Haka step ka babot pat kata khat sautri unaitung kipat ba na Nongmensong kila hiar sathanat bantawa pelat yaki basyakem bat ban kemru yaki tu ki bala shop Nongmensong yakini Khynnah.
11:30, the police got information that some people have created some nuisance in some house. After that, then the police went there, and then the matter could be solved within a few hours. But after that, again, the police got information that people have also created a nuisance somewhere else. Then the police also went there, and they found that two drunkards, or the drunk, they are dead. So the police have taken them to Khynnah. One is the orderly of DG only, I forgot his name, and one is Henry Karkongwa. So after reaching the Khynnah, that people they actually drunk. Then some people, about 50, 60 of them, they come. Then in that thing, then there is some commotion was there. So in that commotion, then the some vehicle have been vandalized, and one CRPF man was also injured and he's taken to hospital. The only thing is that I request that the police in any type of this type of incidents, they should act swiftly so that the Rimu Manga could not spread the small incident turn into something which to their own advantages. So again I stress that the police should act swiftly so that the people could not have a chance to create a misunderstanding or create a false narrative to their own advantages. So I have already told the police they will do, and the case have been registered and matter is under investigation. I don't see if anything we paint as a criminal clash, that is very wrong. That's why I tell that we cannot say that something happened somewhere. But I'm not telling about the sin of Nongmensong. Wherever anything happened, any incident happened, no matter small or big, the police should act swiftly, so that the people could not have a chance to spread the wrong narration or misunderstanding, so that and the situation which a minor situation may turn into something else. So I'm very happy that the police, the residents of that area, the Shnong, could that with their active participation, the thing to be brought under control. And the police, as I said, have registered the case. Matter is under investigation, and anybody who is doing this thing will be taken to task. That's why from the beginning I told you, police should act swiftly, and then dissemination of information on that particular instance should be given by the police, so that this rumor monger, these people should not have the time to spread their own version. So official version is very, very important in this type of incident to avoid this misunderstanding, or to so that the people who want to take anything as a criminal, to paint any incident as a criminal incident, should not have any chance. So again, I request the media play a responsible role. Social media, you should play a responsible role, so that incident or any incident should not be twisted in such a way that will bring the unnecessary tension in any part of the state. But I stress the point that police should act swiftly, should act swiftly, and official information should be given so that people should not have liberty to spread whatever news they want to spread. So official communication is very, very important from the police side, and acting swiftly is very, very important.